Hello, everyone. We are going to do a video lesson for classifying polygons because a lot of this is review, and I think it's just a better use of our time. So let's just review quick. A polygon is just a figure made up of straight sides. So a figure made up of straight sides. So remember, it can have as many sides as it wants, but as long as it's closed and they're all straight, it's a polygon. So this would be a polygon. Kind of looks like a crown. Convex is a polygon where all the sides pop out. So there's like a picture of that would just be like a rhombus, right? All of your sides just pop out, right? There's nothing dipping inwards. Whereas concave, remember, it caves in. So that would be kind of like our crown over there, right? One of our sides dips in, like I did right there. So because it dips in like this, it caves in on itself, it's called concave. Equilateral, remember lateral means sides, and equal looks like equal, so it means equal sides. So all of our sides are the same. So you could have like an equilateral triangle. Remember those tick marks mean that all the sides are the same, or think you guys a square or a rhombus. That would be equilateral. Equal angular means equal angles. Equal angles. And remember, we look for those archy marks to tell us that angles are equal. So those little arcs would give us equal angles. Now, regular means both your sides and angles are equal. So all angles and sides are equal. So that could be a square, right? Because we know that these are all right angles, so all of our angles are the exact same. And then we know that all of our sides on a square are also the same. Okay? So next, is the polygon convex or concave? Well, we can do that. Do I have any of my sides here, any of my corners that are caving in anywhere? Nope. So this one would be convex. I guess we can just get rid of this. This next one, it does dip in, right? So that would be concave. And this last one's kind of a trick question. It's not even a polygon because it's open. So it's not a polygon. Not a polygon. It's open. And I know you guys have seen that before because I think we've had these exact same examples, honestly, in our notes. Okay, match the description with the correct name. So equilateral, but not equal angular. So this one, we're just looking for equal sides. So which one out of a square, rectangle, and rhombus just has equal sides? That would just be a rhombus has equal sides. Equal angular, but not equilateral. So which one has equal angles, but different sides? I hope you're thinking that's a rectangle, because we have 4 right angles, but our sides are different. And then a square would be regular because it has equal angles and equal sides. Determine whether the polygon is regular. Explain. So on this one, if it's regular, remember we have to check our angles and our sides. So let's go with our angles first. Are all of our angles the same? So if I look here, archy marks all the way around. So this indeed checks out for our angles. Now we have to see if our sides are all equal. So I have 2 tick marks, and then I go to 1 tick mark. So right there, you guys, look, these 2 sides aren't the same because I needed 2 tick marks on all my sides. So we can put a X there because it doesn't work. So this is not regular. Our sides are not equal. It would be, though, equiangular if they asked that because all of our angles are equal, but it's not regular. Okay, this next one, again, let's go around, let's check our angles. So if we go around here, all of our angles are equal. Now if we look at our sides, gotta check, make sure each one has a little tick mark. And guess what, folks? It works out. So this one is regular because our sides and our angles are all equal. Now our last one here. Oops, how am I going to do this? 1 second, guys and girls. There we go. Okay, this last one, if we check our angles. Well, if we look in all of our angle spots, we don't know anything. So right then and there, we can already say it's not regular. We don't even know anything about our angles, so not regular. And then our last one says determine whether the polygon is convex or concave, and then decide if it's regular or not. So we have a few different things. So let's look, convex or concave. This first one is indeed convex because there's no part that's dipping in. And now let's check if it's regular. So let's look. Let's see if all of our angles match. I have 1 archy mark. Oh, and then I go to 2. So these are not equal, right? So this is not regular. This next one here. Let's first decide convex or concave. It dips in, so it is concave. Now let's check our angles. I don't know anything about our angles, right? So this would also be not regular. We don't have enough information. And then lastly here, convex or concave, it would be convex, nothing's dipping in. Now we can check to see if it's regular or not. Let's look, all of our angles appear to be right, so that works. And then if we check our sides, I have 1 tick mark all the way around. So this is indeed regular. Good work. All right. How about let's maybe start the worksheet together too real quick. So I'm going to pull that up. All right, this is what your worksheet should look like. And we'll do the first few together to get you started here. Number 1 says sketch a concave polygon. So just draw any shape or figure that dips inward. I'm going to do something like this. Kind of looks like a comb. There we go. That's concave. Number 2, describe the difference between equilateral and equiangular. So equilateral means equal sides. Equiangular means equal angles. Number 3, what is a regular polygon? Remember, a regular polygon has all sides and angles that are equal. Number 4, decide whether the polygon shown in black is convex or concave. So this one here, they're talking about this guy. That would be convex. Nothing dips in. Number 5, if we trace it out, you guys see how I went in right there? So since we dipped in, that would be concave. And then this last one here, if we trace her out, all of our sides pop out, so it is convex. All right, match the polygon with the description. Concave, so which one of these dips in? Well, the only one that dips in, you guys, is number 8, right? Right here, so we can draw an arrow there or put A here. Equilateral means equal sides. So which one has equal sides? Oh boy, that would be number 9, right? All of these have just one tick mark. Put a C there. And C is saying convex and equiangular. So let's just make sure 7 works out. I have equal angle, so it's equiangular, and nothing dips in, so this indeed does work. So C goes with 7. Okay, I think you should have enough now to get started on your own. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, you guys.